Hi everybody, this is Tom Morris at planetarybiology.com, and this is a video on how to move around in exoExplorer. So let's get exoExplorer going, and one of the things you notice in exoExplorer, you see this little car drops down to the surface. It automatically places you in chase camera view, and you really can't see much from that view. So use your mouse and click on this scene to activate the window, and then to get a better view you need to step outside of that vehicle. So hit E just like you're exiting a warthog in Halo, and then you can click and drag your mouse around to see the scene. To get some distance and also to help with sense of scale, you can also move around, walk around, by using the WASD keys. And so with the combination of those keys and your clicking and dragging, you get a sort of a sense of space. In this case, we're on the moon, so we can see the planet Earth off in the distance. All right, so that's a real quick one. To get back in the vehicle, no matter where you are on the map, just hit E. Again, that puts you inside. Now you can drive the vehicle by using the WASD keys as well. That will move the vehicle forward. It will move it in reverse. Where did it go? And so on. Oh, be careful. This vehicle is a little tippy. So now, while you're driving around, let me show you another thing. If you don't want the headlights on, just hit H for headlights, and then you can turn those off, or you can turn them back on again. And then there's also a first-person view. So hit F1, and then that gives you first-person view. If you don't like that, and my preference is I like the chase camera view. So hit F2. Sorry, I'm getting confused myself. Hit F2. That puts you back out in a chase camera view. Now, I mentioned the car can possibly roll over, and that can happen with this vehicle. No problem. Just hit R to restart the vehicle, and that will drop you a new vehicle down, and then you can get going. So let's say you don't want to drive this little car. Do you have any other options? There is one other option. If you go over to the right panel, the Voyage Lake Properties bar, you notice it says Surface Travel Mode is Wheeled Vehicle. And in this case, your surface vehicle is the Planetary Biology van. Click on that little link, not link, but click on that panel, and then you'll see the PB Humvee as an option. And that will drop a Humvee down onto the surface. Click on the window to activate the screen, and then you can drive a Humvee around, which is kind of fun. Now, the good thing about the Humvee is that I haven't been able to roll it over, but it also has, if you get it going fast enough and turn it sharply, you can get it to spin out. Let's see if I can do that here. It's not going quite fast enough. Okay. All right. So now let's say you'd like to try something else, maybe from the air. So if you go over to the right again where it says Mission Configuration, and where it says Surface Travel Mode and Wheeled Vehicle, select Small Aircraft. That gives you a little ship to fly around in. Click on that screen to activate it, and then you can use your WASD keys as well. But most of your movement is going to be with the W key and and clicking and dragging your mouse. If you have a controller, then you could try that, because it is set up to work. I did test it with a joystick, but not many joysticks around. But if you have a Xbox controller, it probably will work anyway. So that's it. That's getting around in various surface vehicles and a little aircraft that can fly around. So it lets you explore this surface from different worlds. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.